Alright, YouTube, we back. As y'all can see, we got our rear end here, which is posi now. 373 gears. We about to go ahead and put it in there. We're not gonna do the disc brakes on it on the back. We're just gonna leave it drums and just do the big upgrade on the front. That's about all we're gonna do with that. We'll go back here. We got our stuff cleared out, everything, so we're gonna go up under there. We had a spill up under there, which was, I took the brake line loose. We had brake fluid spill back there, so we finna get it bolted up, get it under there, and I'm bring y'all back. All right, bring you guys up under the car with me. Y'all can see some of what I'm doing under here. Got the bottom connected. Now we put the top bolts in. Get under here. I guess I better use my creeper. Yeah, instead of laying on this ground, I'm gonna get the creeper out here. So we can slide around under here. Hopefully I don't knock the camera over. Can I reach them bolts? Let's see if I can reach them. I think I can. Really, I think I'm gonna get rid of these air shocks under here. We're gonna go with something different. I don't know if I'm gonna go with coilovers or what I'm gonna do up under here. Decide it. But we're gonna figure something else out. I just don't think I'm gonna keep them air shocks. Let's see if we can get something help knock that. We can do it more easier. What we got? No, I got a hammer somewhere. It's give it a couple taps. And we should be able to knock it in there. Hopefully, make a difference having this rear end redone. The light out the way. Something wrong under here. Let's get this line back up with the other bolt. There it go. See if we can get our other one started. Things are gonna fight me a little bit. But that's okay. We off somewhere. I think we need to go up a little bit more. Okay, we in on that part. Let's see if we come down. There we go. Got that one tapped in. Make sure I'm putting the nut on her the right way. Alright. There we go. Yeah, we'll get this in here, and our next step is I gotta get that computer and fuse box mounted under the dash. Find some way to mount it under there. Neat. Hide it in the dash some kind of way. I just haven't looked at it and decided how I'm gonna go at it. But that's the next step. Then try to get some gauges in here so we'll know what the motor is doing. We know I got a temp and oil pressure and all that stuff. We gotta get that right. Get some gauges in here. which I know which gauges I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to make my own gauge cluster. Order some gauges off of eBay and get some plexiglass and go at it. See what we come up with. If it don't come out right, can't get it right, we'll get a digital dash, Dakota Digital. But I think we can get it done. I think we can get it done. Come up with something nice. We got that in there, got that, so we just gotta tighten everything down now. Under there, I already got all my fuel lines. Got all them zip tied and where I need them. So we'll come back at it and try to get this thing tighten up. Took a little break from the car. Hadn't really been working on it. Had other things going on. But now we back at it. We are back at it. And that there is not gonna work. That's not gonna work. So let's get something else. Then we'll fit on there. Oh, look like a storm that came on through. Got a thunderstorm coming through. Hopefully we don't get no tornadoes. That's the last thing we want. Hopefully no tornadoes. But I'm gonna get this all tightened down. And you guys up, shit, we got a storm coming through out here. But I'm gonna get this all tightened up, and I'm gonna bring y'all back. All right, guys, we back. As y'all can see, we got it mounted up. See, the rain didn't stop and clear it back up for us. But we mounted up. I gotta get some new drums, new brakes. Go get some springs, new springs up under here. Let's see. See, we got everything mounted. That's my lines for my fuel. But y'all can see, we in there. We in there. So I don't know if I'm gonna mount these shocks up or just get some regular shocks for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But next step, getting the brakes in. New drums, new brake, new hardware. Get all that put together. And the new springs, and that's gonna be about it for now. So, all right, we'll be back with another one.